Text notes are view-specific annotation objects. When you add text notes to a drawing, you can control the display of leader lines as well as the size and location of the text box. To place a text note, begin with a project open in Revit. From the ribbon, Annotate tab, Text panel, select Text. The Contextual tab for the Text tool provides options for leader style placement and text justification. On the Leader panel, select a leader line option such as 2 segments. This tool adds a note using a straight leader with a shoulder. In the Drawing area, the cursor has changed to indicate that the Text tool is active. Click to start the leader, click once more to place the shoulder break for the leader, and then click a third time to specify where the text will be positioned. The number of clicks used to place the text will be slightly different for the different leader types. Enter the text for the note, and then click Close. Next, add a second text note. Once it is placed, use the grip points to adjust the width of the text box, and notice that the text wraps accordingly. Controls at the upper corners allow you to move or rotate the text box. When an existing node is selected, you can add and remove leaders using the controls on the Contextual tab of the ribbon. Then, use the in-canvas grip points to adjust the position of the leader as needed.